damage larger than 6 inches or in our line of sight? Does it have 3 or fewer chips or cracks, and is the damage under 6 inches?
No.
I don't think that can be compared, though.
No, it can't be.
It's replaced. We don't have rain sensing wipers, do we? Green tint or green tint blue shade?
I don't know.
Well, I'll let you look at the picture. I'm saving what I did and I'll let you look at it. Because they have examples. Blue shade, it looks like it's darker up here and then gets lighter as it goes down, according to the picture. With their $35 mobile service charge, it's $404.98. Do you want to do that, or you want me to look at another one?
Well, how much does it charge to bring it to them?
Let me look. $370.
So how much is that saving us?
$35, $36.
I could take it to them after work.
Okay. Oh, that's true.
Just schedule an appointment for me to take it to them.
Okay.
$35 is $35.
They don't have availability until next Wednesday in the morning. They could do next Thursday afternoon. Not this week, but next week.
Mm-hmm.
Want to do that? Sure. 4 o'clock?
Yep.
So next Thursday the 13th, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So information, you want me to put your information in since you're taking it? Would you like to receive text messages regarding service updates?
No, I'm going to set my butt down and wait for
Okay.
it. Now, that price, does that include the tax?
It didn't say anything about tax. It just said they just added a delivery fee, nothing else. I'll find out when I get to the end here, because we can always cancel it. We recommend installing a new set of wiper blades to ensure your windshield is not damaged by old wipers. We will install them for free at the time of your service. And they cost... Safe Light Advanced blades are $18 per blade. Or the Safe Light standard blades are $12 per blade. Or no thank you.
No, thank you.
Thought so. Oh, it's $398.58.
That's with the tax?
Yeah, that's the final score. Pay at time of service. I'm sending you a confirmation email. Yeah, it was $18.60 sales tax. $10 disposal fee.
So, folks, this is why you have a budget. This
Sinking funds.
is why you put money aside in categories. Friday, we were going home.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, dun, dun. It was a real crappy day. And it just ended with even more crap because, as you could see in the previous video, that lovely halo of broken glass right on the lower edge of the video. Some idiot either had a bolt that was in their truck bed that flipped out, or one of the bolts on their vehicle's wheels came loose and smacked our windshield.
Hard.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I'll take a picture of it, but you know, it's the weirdest looking break I've seen.
It is.
It's almost like a gunshot. You know, somebody shot your windshield. But
it wasn't that.
No, it wasn't that. So our Monday tip, whatever.
Monday counts Monday.
Yeah, what she said.
Sorry, guys, we've had a really terrible week.
Yeah. So that is why you have a budget. That is why you have a category for car repairs. Because guess what? We have just enough to replace the windshield. And since I'm going on the summer hiatus and no paycheck coming in, if we didn't have this money set aside, we would be kind of screwed. So
it would be tougher for sure.
Yes. So we stress, put money aside in categories: car, home, health, pets. At least those four, if you have pets, that is. Because inevitably, a certain dog will turn 6 months old and need the snip snip. And that's expensive.
Yeah, I couldn't believe how expensive it is for, I'm glad he's a boy and not a girl.
Yep. So, time for Melissa's closing comments.
So, first off, please pray for us. We've been having some challenges here this last week, but times will get better, correct? Anyway, we ask that you please give us a thumbs up, like us, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It really helps us out a lot. Also, we are on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also, we are not financial advisors by any stretch of the imagination. We're just passing along little bits of information we've learned from people such as Dave Ramsey. So anyway, until next time, hopefully we will be coming at you with better news, something fun and exciting. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.
Bye.